Look at me. Look at me. It's a new day, beautiful day. The sun is rising, new horizon. Nice to meet you. I love your hairdo. I'd like to know you, be your friend too. And your mama, and your papa, all the brothers and the sisters. We could be one, no division. Don't you think so? Don't you say no? Look at me. Look at me. Not too closely. Not too closely. So we're rolling on a journey, road tripping now, no U-turning. Infatuation, justification for sweet emotion, no altercation. Everybody loves somebody. Now I have you, my own body. You're in my body. Feels too good to be true, so untrue. Look at me. Look at me. Not too closely. But not too closely. Our sun is setting, now we're distant. I'm not getting, this can't be true, this can't be you. I'm not getting through to you. We're bound and tied, this vicious circle. I cry and cry, I should have left you. Oh my mama, oh my papa, oh my brothers, oh my sisters, oh my best friends. I thought we were one, but now divided. How did we go wrong? Look at me. Look at me. Not too closely. Not too closely. You may not like what you see. 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 When you look at me, when you look at me, too closely. Not too closely.